So hello everybody, we are at Koir University where Manthan 2K25 has been started. So let's go inside, explore the event and let's ask students and faculty members who are come from the outside university about their experience of Manthan 2K25. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So as I can see over here is that students have come in a lot of numbers to attend Manthan 2K25. I'm personally very excited to talk to them and ask about their experience. So let's go in the Vardhaman Auditorium, ask students about their experience of National Hackathon 2K25. Hello everybody, so now we are going to introduce you to Team G5. So hello Team G5, can you just introduce yourself?
I am Paswan Aditya Raj,
And you are from which university?
Haridwar University.
And can you tell us about your project a little bit?
Our project is like a care buddy. You can hire some persons to take care of someone who is ill in your family, but you can't reach them. Like you are out of the town or out of the city, so you can like hire persons for a day or weeks. Like
Okay, it's an amazing project. And how was your hackathon experience?
my hackathon experience was very good. Like I was doing the work like all day and nights, and I never slept.
Okay, and do you like our university? Do you like the Code University and the events which are organized under the Manthan?
Yes, I like this university very much. Like there some events where they will happening the whole nights, and I enjoy them.
Thank you so much. And now we have Team 0 or 1 with a unique name. So let's meet the team leader and the entire team. Hello, sir.
Hello, my name is Shubham Loshali and I'm leader of my team, Team 0 and 1. So we are team from Graphic Era Hill University, Haldwani campus. Allow me to introduce my teammates.
My name is Nitin Vishwakarma.
Hello everyone, my name is Kamal Korunga.
My name is Samantha Olia.
Hi, my name is Palak Dobal. Hello, my name is Nikita.
And first of all, I would like to thank my whole team for making such a wonderful project. Allow me to introduce to my project. It's very interesting project since we all are from BTech engineering department. For placement, we always practice codes like whatever teachers teaches in our class. We practice at home by doing that question in lead code. Like in lead code. We have certain problems and we need to solve that, and we can solve that problems using different languages. Basically, whenever we go to lead code, the questions we counter many errors. It's not like one time और सारा perfect आ जाए. Errors basic part है, आते रहते हैं. हमने लीड कोड में बेसिकली ये किया है कि जैसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, हमने बेसिकली एक वेब एक्सटेंशन डेवलप किया है.
That's seriously an amazing project you have made.
Yeah.
So now if we move apart from your project, it's a wonderful project. So how was your hackathon experience?
Overall, working with my team was a great experience for me. I would like to point out certain points.
Yeah.
Campus was great and everyone was very supportive.
Thank you. And it's an amazing project. I hope you win.
Yes, sir.
So finally, we are with the winning team of National Hackathon 2K25. And that is... So guys, how you're feeling after winning the National Hackathon 2K25? So let's ask the mentors first.
Very excited, very happy. We are eagerly waiting to reach the college and announce this good news with the entire team and the faculty. So, very excited.
And guys, you?
The feeling was immeasurable. We can't tell the feeling that we are having right now after having this from COER Roorkee. Yay, it's a big achievement.
It's truly like an honor standing here and being like having this prize. It's like a dream come true. Like it wasn't expected, so it's hitting even hard now. But yeah, it's actually a very good thing.
So, what was the one message you would like to give the students who want to win the National Hackathon next year?
If I had to just give one message, it would be that don't stop working on whatever you are working. At some point in this hackathon, we were all facing this harsh truth that yeah, this is not gonna work. But still, we kept going. We didn't stop there. We continuously stayed up all night. We worked really hard on every single model, every single function that we built. Yeah. So the only thing that I would like to say is just don't stop. Just keep on working. Remember who you are. Remember your roots, and just it'll pay off one day for sure.
And what was your experience while you were performing in the National Hackathon? Was it stressful or was it fun?
It was like a complex blend of every single thing. It was fun, sure. It was stressful, yes, it was. And one thing that it was more than anything else, it was like a good experience. It was something that we can learn from. It gave us a lot of memories. It gave us a lot of knowledge, and a chance to improve our project even more, and a chance to present it on a national platform like this in the COER. So yeah,
So, do you love Core University?
I have to at this point, I guess.
So, finally, ma'am, one question to you is that what was the techniques you have applied on your students that they have win such a wonderful hackathon at a tough competition of more than 150 teams? I know it's not easy.
I think the key to their success is the consistency which they followed from the last few months to win this hackathon. I think that's and their discipline towards their work and towards their interest is the key to their success. They are standing at this place holding this check.
Yeah. So, finally, one cheer to you guys. Can we give it? So, 1, 2, 3. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you, everybody. So, guys, I have one question to you, which is very obvious. How you're feeling after scoring the second rank?
To be honest, first when we entered, we were told that hardware projects are not allowed.
Okay.
That was a heartbreaking moment because we had came here from a far distance. But finally, when the hackathon is over, we had landed on the second position. That is very good.
So, how was your experience while you were performing?
It was way too good according to the previous previous year. We had this was our second time. The previous year was also good, but this time we had won, so it would be better than the last one. Sure.
And one message for the students who want to score like you.
Look, there will be chances when you will fail, but like us, first time we failed, but the second time we won. So never give up. That's the only key.
Okay. What is the best memory you are going to take from Koir University, guys?
I think the second position would be the best memory.
And can we give your winning a cheer? So, hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! So now we are with the third rank holders of National Hackathon 2K25, and those are Team Combiners. So, guys, I have few questions for you. So, that's an obvious question. How you're feeling right now?
We are feeling very amazed. This is our first hackathon win, and of course we are it is an immense proud moment for our institution and for also us.
हमारी फैकल्टी ने बहुत सपोर्ट कराया हमें और काफ़ी हैकाथॉन लड़ने के बाद फाइनली हम एक विनिंग पोजीशन पे आए हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Special thanks to Mr. Ankit sir, Miss Rashmi ma'am, Miss Kiran Moore ma'am, Mr. Sunil Dhul sir.
Okay. So, guys, how was your entire experience of this tough competition?
जो हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर था और जो लास्ट टाइम तक भी हमारा बैक एंड का काम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था, उस प्रेशर के अंडर भी हमने कैसे ना कैसे कंप्लीट किया. इट वाज अ मिरेकल.
So now let's meet the mentor of the winning teams.
We are very happy as we scored 2 positions in this national hackathon, first and the third. We are very, very happy, excited, amazed, exactly. That's all.
Can we give your win a cheer? Ready? Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! So after the hackathon, you guys must be wondering, what's after that? Is this the end of the event? No. The end of the event should be an amazing aspect. So we have a great comedian, Ashish Solanki, who is going to join us in the evening, and students and faculty members and participants from another university are going to enjoy the event. I'm that sure that it is going to be a wonderful ending of the Manthan 2K25.
सबसे पहले तो मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि